Alright, so today I'm going to be disassembling some new parts. So thanks to Josh in Connecticut, I picked up a set of R32 control arms and spindles, drop spindles. So eventually I'm going to correct the geometry with the GTI. I got both sides here, so today I'm going to be dedicating some time to disassembling this, and then I will be bringing it to get powder coated, and in the future installing it on the car. So that's today's fun.
Might fall forward.
Alright, so knuckle is a part of all the garbage is in the garbage, and gotta remove some of this last remaining stuff from the wheel bearing, and then this thing's ready to go on the shelf until we get it powder coated, cleaned up by KK Finishing Co. They do all of our powder coating here at the shop. But yeah, this wasn't fun. There's a lot of banging. Hammer, vice grips, bunch of stuff. So. taking a break to Baywatch. I just really don't want to do that one. I don't really feel like filming the entire disassembly of that guy. So, with the powers of movie magic, I am going to do it just like that. Got everything apart. 2 spindles, control arms. I haven't taken these out yet because we don't know if I'm going to run these yet. I may go with an entire tubular control arm and subframe setup, so I'm not going to bother with these for now. But the reason these are so desirable is because of this right here. So this mount point for the ball joint is further from the axle, causing the control arm to be in a better position when the suspension is settled on the ground. So you can actually have the car be a little bit lower, but not compromise your geometry. Makes the car feel a lot lighter to the steer, and will just be a much better drive all around. So not really sure when I'm going to do the whole spindle setup, because I just finished putting in the BC Racing coilovers last video, like midsummer or even in the fall, depending on how the car rides. But there she is, right there. So yeah, I think I'm gonna cap this video here. Just make it a quick video about taking apart the spindles and control arms, because I thought it was gonna be way worse than it was. It was annoying, but nowhere near as bad as I thought it would be. So that's it for this video, yeah.